Hey, what's going on, guys? Just so you know, we just recently shot a music video using my friend's Mustang GT. If you haven't seen that video yet, I'll leave a card somewhere up here. Please do go check it out. So let's get started on this. So guys, these are the SMD injection LEDs that I have been using on my bike for the rear indicators. Since my bike has a TAILTIDY and they do not have an indicator, this was the most aesthetical alternative I could find. But as you see, these are yellow in color. Talking about the case here, I have painted them black along with the wires before I could stick them on to my bike, so they're like super stealthy. But let me give you some details on this. This unit is made by Samsung. They work on 12 volt DC. This whole thing is a set and they're pretty cheap. I'm gonna link the product in the description so you can check it out. It's on Amazon and it's pretty cheap, so you can purchase it there. This unit also comes with the 3M adhesive tape on the back to make things easier for us. And there's one more thing I'd like to mention is these LEDs aren't super bright. They're bright enough, you can definitely see them in the dark as well as in the daytime. Do not expect too much of a performance of these. They are waterproof as well. Let me just show you how they sit on the bike. Okay, so as you can see, this is how it sits on the bike. Nice and flush, definitely not an eye catcher. This is where the wiring escapes into the TAILTIDY. There's a small gap as you can see. So you just have to pull the wire in from there, and both the positive and the negative cables go into the respective couplers as you can see here. Do not mind this module. This is the hazard light unit, so I've just removed it for the time being. As you can see, the right and left indicator respectively, they are bright enough during daytime. You can see it from a good amount of distance and you wouldn't even notice that there are indicators sitting there. So this is how it looks during the nighttime. It has plenty visibility. You can definitely spot it from a good amount of distance. Again, nothing overkill, it's bright enough. So there you go, guys, a flush integrated LED indicators for you. So thanks for watching, guys. Leave a thumbs up if you found this video helpful to achieve such a look. Also stay tuned for more videos.
Brother, it's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.